How to cook a curd rice. Start with a cup of cooked rice and a cup of Greek yogurt. Mix them well together. Heat a pan and then add a tablespoon of butter. Add a tablespoon of mustard seeds and wait for them to pop. Add a tablespoon of cumin seeds and cook for another minute. And finally, add a chipotle chili pepper and cook for 1 more minute. Safely remove the pan from the heat source. Transfer this spice-infused mixture onto the waiting yogurt and rice blend. Thoroughly combine these ingredients and finally garnish with freshly chopped cilantro.